Here, the leopard silently dominates every hunt with the typical advantages of a feline predator. The leopard, scientifically known as Panthera pardus, shares the same family as lions, but has a completely different style. They are fully adapted to the savanna environment, not only thriving in the endless grasslands, but also in rocky areas and sparse forests. The vast savanna seems to move in rhythm with the leopard's cautious steps, where every sound, every heartbeat contributes to a dramatic portrait of life and survival.